The ChatGPT and Gemini canvases are awesome to create all sorts of applications, visual interfaces, and all the fun stuff that they can create. But you can't really share it, can you? So whenever Gemini or ChatGPT generates a fancy report or anything within the canvas, it kind of stays in there. And what if I told you there's a way that you can share it with friends, co-workers, family, whatever it is, really, really simple. And that simple way is called MicroApp.live. Let me show you. So if you have, let me go to Gemini here, something that looks like this, I asked it for how will vibe coding affect the economy in the next 5 years? It generated, and I did this on a deep research. So it did a deep research on that question here. I then asked it to please create a website or a statistic, whatever it is, in the canvas. And it did that, and it looks like this. It is super awesome with interactive sliders and graphs and all the information presented in a super nice way. But it's in here and I can't really share it with anyone. Whenever I click share, copy content, I just get the actual HTML code. So if we take the code and then we copy this, where should we put it so people can see it? And the answer is MicroApp.live. So if you go to MicroApp.live, you click on Get Started, you click on Sign Up and create your account. I already have mine. You can then start to create new HTML projects and share them publicly. So I have a lot here, but you can just click on New Project, and let's call this the future of vibe coding, like so. And we're gonna take the code, gonna click share because that's gonna copy all this HTML code. We're gonna paste it in here, click deploy project, and click on view live. And there we have it. You now have a shareable link, which is MicroApp.live, and then my username is HC1000 because that's my name. And then we have the name here. You can actually go in, edit your project URL, and you can also go to your profile and edit your username, which will be put up here. But you can now see the 2025 to 2030 outlook from syntax to vibes. And we can then see the projected economic growth. We can see deflation of building, all good information, and we can actually see the people that are gonna lose by us vibe coding, and that is junior developers. We're actually seeing a wage growth, projected wage growth by role in security analyst, product managers, prompt engineers get the most, and system architects. Where junior devs, they're gonna lose this. Then we have hidden economic risks. This was actually not what the video was about, but it's kind of interesting anyways. Black box liability, that's a real risk here. Skill rot, and infrastructure cost. Anyways, super nice. What do we click? Read, that doesn't work. Risk, and then it's just gonna, put us down here. Anyways, this was one of them. Then I actually did, or had ChatGPT make something, and it's actually not done yet. Awesome. I created or searched for a scientific paper on turmeric. So this is a scientific paper here. Let's see if we can open that up. Scholar Research Library, and then we have a bunch of text, very researchy-ish. I know I've created these reports myself. They're very boring to read through. Anyways, we can take this very boring research, give it to ChatGPT and say, create an interactive HTML app for the attached report. I want all the important findings visually displayed and easy to understand and digest. Make it look stunning and easy to navigate, and interactive with information. Create a single HTML file. And then it wrote all this, and I actually haven't checked it yet. And it stopped. Awesome. I'm gonna say, please continue. And I'll just pause the video and see if it actually finishes this little app here. Okay, so I set it to please continue, and it wrote this as a report. So let's copy that. Go here to MicroApp.live, click new project and say turmeric, I think it's like that. Paste the code in, click deploy project, and click on view live. Let's see what it does. We then have overview. Let's see here. That's just all this. So we have an overview here. We have key active components, health benefits, traditional cultural use, scientific insights. So research studies, anti-inflammatory. And I actually don't know what all this means, so maybe it's not super informative based on this report, but that's besides the point. I can then go ahead and tell it to extract more information. We can see that it errored out here. Let me go over here. I tried one more on, and that is still running. While this is running, we'll just go over here and say, let's take Bali weather. I actually created a small weather widget where you can take the HTML code here, and then you can change it connects directly to a weather API and a public weather API, meaning that you can put it on any site and have it connect, but you can share this as well. But MicroApp.live is just a nice little app where you can paste in your Canvas projects and share them with people on the internet or through the internet, so people can actually see what you created inside of Gemini or ChatGPT. So whenever it gives you this canvas here and you can put on a preview and you can see all that, you can copy the code and put it over there. Let's see if this is done. Not yet. So this one finished now, and this is a really long HTML app. Like there's a lot of code here. So I actually don't know how this will function, but let's see. Maybe it's good. I'll just edit over this here, paste that in. Let's remove those three and those three and click save. And let's go here and update and see what it does. Okay. That is down there. Okay. So this is all the chapters. Okay, like there's a lot of information here and I can't really go through it all. Search benefit, cancer, jump. Okay, prostate cancer. Like this is super cool. What about breathing? I don't know. Just pulling up stuff. Nope. Okay, let's see if we can find something. Like this is super cool. Like in my opinion. Digestive disorder. Okay, chronic. What about digestive? Let's search for that. Jump. Digest. Okay, so you can actually search through this now up here. Like this is super cool, in my opinion. Like it's a full, like taking all the report data from here. So all this report data, and turned it into an interactive application like, hats off. That's cool, in my opinion. Anyways, I hope you found this informational and useful, and you can go to MicroApp.live, sign up, it's free, and you can share all these HTML and micro apps with your coworkers, friends, and family. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next video. Bye.